you're sitting there wishing that you could just finally start making money from YouTube, then this is the video for you. So I made my first $1,000 from YouTube without AdSense. And so in today's video, I want to talk to you about the process that I followed so that you can also follow this process and start making money from your channel. Now, I do want to mention that you do not need thousands of subscribers or watch hours or any fancy things like that. You just need to be willing to put in the work and share valuable content that will attract clients. And so if this sounds good to you, then let me get into the steps so that you can start making money sooner. So the first step that I followed and that I want you to follow is to start documenting your journey before you feel ready. So when I first started my YouTube channel, which is all about YouTube growth, by the way, I didn't have all of the experience that these big YouTube gurus had. I was just someone who was trying to figure out everything by myself and, going through the trenches. Now, granted, I did have experience in content creation because I've been helping brands grow on YouTube and with blogging for a couple of years now. And so at least I had that knowledge to work from. But regardless of not having all of the answers, I decided to show up anyway. And so what I did is literally as I was growing my YouTube channel, I documented how everything was going. So I documented my analytics, I documented my journey, I documented the ups and downs and everything in between. And so you can literally do the exact same thing regardless of your niche. So if you are on a weight loss journey, you can document that. If you are on a journey of learning a new craft, you can document that. If you are on a journey of saving money or helping someone else save money, you can document that. So you see the picture. So the key takeaway for this step is to not wait until everything is perfect and until you feel like you're 100% ready, because you're never going to feel that way. Instead, just start teaching people real time. The second thing that I did and that I recommend you do is to find the critical pain point that your viewers are struggling with. So I'm going to be frank. It is hard for people to watch your videos unless there's something in it for them. So it is just human nature that we want something before we will give something, right? And so in order for you to start making money from people on your channel, you first need to give them something valuable. And that is where pain points come in. So it's crucial for you to figure out what your audience is really struggling with. So what are thorns in their sides that they wish they could solve right now? And the way you're going to figure out these things is, first and foremost, you're going to go and do research on Google. So you can go onto platforms like Reddit, Amazon reviews, Facebook groups, and you can go and see what types of questions people are asking, what they are struggling with, and how you can actually help them solve this problem. Because as you're recording your journey on YouTube, you'll likely learn a couple of things as well. And so you'll be able to help them with these specific pain points. And so this is exactly what I did. I went onto these platforms and I started to see a pattern. So I started seeing that people were constantly commenting that they were posting videos consistently, but they weren't getting views. They were trying to stay consistent on YouTube, but the editing takes so long and they struggle with that. And they didn't even know what equipment to use. So I saw all of these different pain points that my audience was struggling with. And I started creating more YouTube videos related to those pain points. And the key takeaway here is the moment that you start focusing on pain points is the moment your YouTube channel is going to be able to turn into a business. Now, by the way, if you are ready to post a lot of these videos that address your clients' pain points and you really want to grow your channel as much as possible over the next 90 days, then I have good news for you, because I am currently hosting a 90-day YouTube growth challenge that is completely free. And so I have a PDF that you can download where you can write down your exact content ideas, where you can write down your audience's pain points. You can write down everything you need to be able to post content consistently for the next 3 months. Plus, the PDF also comes with a free Facebook community where other small creators are also growing their channels. And so if you'd like that, I'm linking it in the description below. The third step that I followed and that you also need to follow is to share valuable content consistently. And in order for your video to actually get results, you're going to have to package it in a way that is interesting to your audience. So you're going to have to create a really good title, really good thumbnail for that video. And you're going to have to make sure that your video structure is, it keeps attention. And so I have a lot of different videos on my channel that can help you with that. So first and foremost, you can go ahead and watch my basic YouTube video script video where I talk about how to write a script that keeps people's attention. Then you can also go ahead and watch the video where I talk about the importance of thumbnails and titles as well as your actual video topic and getting more people to watch the video. And so as soon as I started posting my videos more consistently, I started getting emails from people asking me, can I help them with their channels? Do I offer coaching? And so this opens up the door to a lot of business for you. The fourth step that I followed is I turned my viewers into clients without a complicated sales funnel. Now, at the time, as I was posting these videos, I didn't really have a website, I didn't have a sales funnel, I didn't have anything of the sort to get people into my world. And so instead, what actually ended up happening is a lot of these people contacted me. So I had a link in my description to my actual email address, and people started emailing me, asking me if I could coach them. And what I would do then is I would hop on a discovery call with them. So I would arrange a call on Google Meets and we would meet. I would ask them a couple of questions to see if I could truly help them. And from there, I would sign them as a client. But here's the thing, you don't have to wing it like I did. There are software that you can actually use to make this process a lot more seamless and automated. And so a software that I recommend you use if you want people to be able to book coaching sessions with you automatically is TidyCal. So the reason I love TidyCal is because you only pay a one-time fee and then you have lifetime access to the software. And so what's incredible about this software is that people can go ahead and directly book a call with you and they can even pay through this tool. So you can link your Stripe account or your PayPal account to TidyCal. And that means that people can automatically pay. So there's no need for you to send an invoice to them. Now, of course, the direct coaching link works better if you are offering more affordable coaching. So let's say, for example, you offer a 1-hour coaching session for $50 or something like that. Then that direct booking can work really well. But if you are offering a more expensive coaching package where you maybe charge a monthly fee, then it is worth having a free call first where you can ask them questions and you can make sure they're a good fit. And then from there, you can go ahead and send them to a payment link or send them the invoice afterwards. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your biggest struggle with growing and monetizing your YouTube channel right now? I'm super curious, so please let me know in the comments. And again, if you want help growing your YouTube channel and you need that accountability from fellow small YouTube creators, then remember to join the 90-day YouTube Growth Challenge. It is free for now, and you can get it in the description below. So we've talked about making money through coaching and offering your own consulting services on this video. But if you'd like to learn more ways that you can actually go about monetizing your YouTube channel, then I have created a video all about it right over here, and it covers 6 different ways you can make money on YouTube. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.